Hi there, I'm Jane and this is Loopy Mabel and welcome to my channel. In this video it's a little bit of an update of what I'm up to, what I've been planning on with this channel here. So I'm going to explain all to you in a moment. Back, and in today's video it's just a quick update really on what I'm planning to do with my channel here at Loopy Mabel. Originally when I started this channel it was Loopy Mabel Crochet, and it was all my crochet designs, my crochet patterns and obviously my crochet tutorials. To all of you who subscribe to me for that, thank you so much. I do appreciate your support. Now I don't only just do crochet, I also like to do dressmaking as a hobby. I'm trying to work towards creating my very own handmade wardrobe, and I love to do some dressmaking when I'm not crochet designing. So back in, I think it was April, May time, I started adding in some of my sewing dressmaking vlogs here on this channel, and thank you so much for all of you who subscribed for those videos too. But what I've been thinking lately is, because I know they're both a craft, but they are different niches. One's crochet obviously and one's my dressmaking. But I've been getting a little bit of feedback where not everybody likes the dressmaking because they can't sew or they're not interested in sewing. And then also those people who subscribe just for my dressmaking and they can't crochet or not interested in crochet and they just like my dressmaking. And obviously there is some subscribers who like both and don't mind both. So what I wanted to do was really is to probably go back on this channel to how I first started off with all my crochet designing and tutorials, and then I'm going to have all my dressmaking on a separate channel. It's still going to be Loopy Mabel, but it's going to be Loopy Mabel's Closet. And over there on that channel, it will be all about all of my dressmaking projects towards my handmade wardrobe. So in this video, really, I just want to let you know that's what I'm doing. So if you're a subscriber here already on Loopy Mabel, it will become Loopy Mabel Crochet again, and it will revert back to just crochet, tutorials, my crochet designs, all my crochet plans, and over on Loopy Mabel's Closet it will just be all my dressmaking on my plans, my me-made plans and my projects for my sewing. So hopefully what I'm saying is I'm hoping that if you have subscribed to my channel, so I would love it if you love my sewing too, if you could pop on over to Loopy Mabel's Closet. I'll put the link for that if you can't find it in the description box below, and subscribe over there too. It won't really make any difference at all, because if you subscribe to Loopy Mabel's Closet and you also stay subscribed here to Loopy Mabel's Crochet, hit the notification bell on both channels, then whenever I do bring any video out or any tutorial, you'll still get notified, and you just obviously can go and watch that specific video that I bring out. So I'm hoping you'll still support me here on Loopy Mabel Crochet, and you'll also pop over to Loopy Mabel's Closet and subscribe over there too. I've got my fingers crossed because obviously it's a brand new channel. I think I'm doing the right thing because I can still then do both my creative content for my crochet. I can still concentrate on that, on all my designs. And then you can also follow me on my dressmaking journey over on my other channel, and it'll still be me either way. So please, if you like this video, please give me that lovely thumbs up, and obviously I'd love to hear what you think in the comments box below. I'm hoping you're not going to be disappointed. I'm hoping you're going to be supporting me and joining me over on Loopy Mabel's Closet too for my dressmaking. So that's it for today. I'm off now to work on a crochet tutorial, and also I have got a gorgeous pattern I've got my eye on, and I've just received some absolutely gorgeous fabric to make it with. So that's going to be a video log over on Loopy Mabel's closet. I'm thanking you in advance. Please don't forget to give me that thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for both of these channels. But until the next time, I shall see you very soon. Thank you for watching.